It's four.
So, okay, you wanna see some macho shit? I'm the most macho nigga out here. I thought you niggas knew. I'm the most thuggest nigga out here.
Say they want smoke with me, but they don't want smoke with me. I got the foes with me. I got the G's and the Mo's with me. We got them six and they whole 50. We gon' send shots to the whole city. I bought the drink and the hoes with me. Boy, you broke, you got no penny. Hey, you need to quit all that front. Why you be lying, it's done. Act like you got it, but really got nothing. Act like you bad it, but really ain't bustin'. I go to war for my sister, I'm thuggin'. I go to war for my brother, it's nothing. I got some shit that'll knock off your muffin. I got some chili you call like a pumpkin. Mama told me, keep shitting, I'm flushin'. Mama, I got them, no worries, it's nothing. I send them shots, in the discussion, into your life. Try me, I'm jumping. I play that booty like it's a percussion. Drumline, I roll something. Dumb nine, let you hold something. I'm from the block where the moles pumping. Cops question, we don't know nothing. We lead the scene like we stole something. They threw the book and you throw something. Snitch nigga can't get with ya. Smoke a nigga like a pack of switches. Backwood or a Vega nigga. Fuck a game, this ain't a Sega nigga. Once some feds come, you can't save a nigga.
I love money and money loves me. And you know, it was the Apostle Paul who said that the love of money is the root of all evil. But I came along and corrected the Apostle Paul. It's the lack of money that is the root of all evil.
It's four. They say I'm a bad man. I move them bags, man. Nothing but gas, man. I dump them like trash cans. Never fold on a bad hand. I'm shooting like Afghan. I'm wearing this last gram. I murdered the last man. I'm on your head like a gas scam. I smack a bitch with a backhand. I hit a lick on the cat scam. These niggas pussy, they cat ran. I'm Brucey Wayne on my Batman. I'll fuck your bitch from the back, man. I'll fuck your bitch, give her back, man. Say what you want, but I'm that man. They tryna fuck with the kid. They hate the way that I live. They hate the way that I shine. They hate the way that I hustle. They hate the way that I grind. Came from the back of the line. I had to wait for some time. I grabbed a ladder and climbed. Living in hell at the time. Depression was stressing my mind. Surrounded by evil and crime. I go to sleep with my nine. Trust me, I'm killing for mine. Won't do no telling for mine. Fill up my leaf for some pine. If it ain't money, decline. I want the money and shine. I wanna roll in my time. Picture me rolling like Pac at the time. I'm raising hell in the city, it's mine. Ha!
You wanna see some macho shit? I'm the most macho nigga out here. I thought you niggas knew. I'm the most thuggest nigga out here.
I was born in '89, and basically I felt the responsibility to kind of take our family and kind of like, yo, I have an opportunity to be here and make something for us and for my family and for the future. So thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for all the craft shows you took me to. Because of you and dragging me to your shows and you making art, I'm doing this now with the team and everybody else. So because of you, everybody's
And you know, it was the Apostle Paul who said that the love of money is the root of all evil. But I came along and corrected the Apostle Paul. It's the lack of money that is the root of all evil.